Hi guys, so over here I have my XC90. This wing mirror actually only is able to tilt up and down. I can't use the controller over here to tilt left and right. So now I think is this motor that is faulty. So I removed the cover. I bought a new motor over here. You can see. So I will try to attempt to replace and see if it works. I also have to fix this heated mirror wire which is dislodged already. So in order to remove the mirror, I think there's some catch over here. Over here there's a few around it. And also have to remove all the connectors that is connecting to the mirror. Alright, let's do it. Alright, as you can see, I've removed this mirror. I have difficulty in removing this clip over here, so I'll just put it one side here. So now I have to remove this motor over here. There's a few torque screw around the side. Alright, so there's 3 torque screw, 1, 2, 3 here, and there's a connector behind here which you have to remove. Then I will replace the new one which is over there back here, and then replace the mirror itself. Okay, I've replaced the new one over here, so I'll just put back the mirror. Just be careful when you take out because I think one of the clip over here, as you can see, actually broke. But just one only, the others are still in place, so I don't think it will fall off. So let's put it back and connect this back. I have connected back the wires, so I'll fix this back, and after that I'll fix the rest up and see if it works. Okay, before I fix back, now my electronics is on. I'll try to tilt it down, up, it works, left and right. So now it's working. So if any of you, the motor doesn't tilt left or right or up and down, then it would be this motor over here that is faulty. So it's just a cheap replacement. I'll put the price and the part number in the comment in the link below. Thanks for watching. Bye.